Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 BMW M8 competition. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips here at all. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches here. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect here. I'm not seeing any scratches on them at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. There are no dents, no scratches here, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, the trunk looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches here at all. The back bumper is in excellent condition as well. Now we're going to move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches here. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now let's take a look at the passenger side doors. Okay. You see on the back door there's a scratch right here. But the front door looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Let's take a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender has no scratches or dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start with the driver's seat. This seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Let's take a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Let's take a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also, backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that there is no wear and tear at all. Everything here looks perfect. All of the buttons are in good condition. The shifter has no wear and tear. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the buttons. And around the steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.